Right, this is John and Parita. Here we are. We're inside this washateria and doing our own laundry. And so I wanted to take you outside. Here we go. Outside to show you this busy street out here. This is called Taloy Street. And it's amazing, the traffic and the people that will be going through here. And what I like to call it is their magic hand. You know, when they cross the street and they put their hand out like that, and they will magically stop the traffic. And so I call it the magic hand. But again, there's a lot of businesses out here and lots of friendly people, and they have such a beautiful spirit here and so kind. I mean, everybody has been wonderful to me out here. It's just been a fantastic time here, and I still have like a month to go still, so okay, well, thank y'all for watching, and we love you. Keep us in your prayers. God bless you all. And I'll have more videos for you as I do more exploring.